Okay, you guys, we are here for another room tour. So today is actually Steven's birthday, July 12th, and we are here for 2 nights at the Aventura. Steven wants to go to Volcano Bay tomorrow, and so we got 2 nights here at the Aventura. So we're gonna do a quick room tour. We have stayed here before, but we didn't, we weren't like shooting videos then. So we're gonna do one today. But here is the main door where you come in. You can see from this shot that this is a pretty small room. So, but we're gonna go over some of the details. So front door, and then a full length mirror right here. And then this opens, I already put some shirts in there. So this opens all the way. You've got your safe and your extra pillow, or is that a blanket? We'll have to see. And then ironing stuff. So that's a nice space. We have a cute little couch, which is nice. We're in a king size. So you have a king size bed. We have our phone and our charging ports on this side with our little pad with paper. I don't think this opens. Nope. We do have lights on either side, which is nice. And then over here, you have your iPad that is supposed to control stuff. You can also do other things on here. Wake up calls, blah, blah, blah. And then theme park information. Another light. So this is like a work area, and this goes all the way across. And then a little coffee situation, which we never really use those. We don't have a great view. We've got a view of Cabana Bay. But yeah, volcanoes, very tip of the volcanoes over there. We're gonna be there tomorrow. So that's our view. Let's go check out the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty nice. So outside of the toilet area, you have this sink, this giant mirror, some towels, and then down below you have some cubbies. And then we actually already turned on the shower to check it out, but your toilet, towels here, and then the shower area has a step, and then it actually has a little thing for your feet if you need to put your feet up. Somewhere to hang a towel or your bathing suit. And then of course this goes across, although this one looks broken. That's okay. They do give you some products: shampoo, conditioner, and bar soap, which I forgot to bring bar soap, but that's okay. Because Steven is a team member, we attempted to get a deluxe king room and we were shot down. They said they didn't have one available for us, so we got this room. But as long as it's still a king size bed, it's still really nice. I think this room is good if you're a single person or a couple. I think if you have kids, I think this probably pulls out, but I'm not positive. Maybe if you had one kid, it would be fine, but it does seem a little bit tight to me. But it does the job, right? It's clean, and we're on the 6th floor, so we don't really have, like I said, too much of a view. But that's it. Thank you for watching our videos. Again, we film with our iPhone, with my iPhone, and we don't really do any editing or anything like that. So we're just doing this for our memories, and we just appreciate everyone, especially on a day like today for Steven's birthday. So thank you. Have a good one.